Does your skin feel tight and itchy no matter how much moisturizer you slather on? Do you constantly search for products that won't leave your face red and irritated? You're not alone. Sensitive, dry skin can feel like a constant battle. But here's the good news. Achieving a healthy, happy complexion doesn't require a complicated routine. In fact, you can achieve amazing results in just 5 minutes a day. This easy-to-follow routine will cleanse, hydrate, and protect your delicate skin, leaving it feeling soothed, balanced, and oh so comfortable. Say goodbye to irritation and hello to a radiant glow. The foundation of any good skincare routine is a gentle cleanser. But with sensitive skin, it's crucial to choose a cleanser that effectively removes impurities without stripping away your skin's natural protective oils. Look for a mild, fragrance-free cleanser specifically formulated for sensitive skin. Avoid harsh sulfates that can disrupt your skin's delicate balance. Massage the cleanser onto damp skin using gentle circular motions. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Remember, no rubbing. Toning is often an overlooked step, but it's crucial for restoring your skin's pH balance and prepping it for the next steps in your routine. Choose an alcohol-free toner enriched with soothing ingredients like chamomile or aloe vera, known for their calming and anti-inflammatory properties. Gently pat the toner onto your skin using a cotton pad or clean hands. This simple step helps to remove any remaining traces of cleanser and provides an extra boost of hydration. While not essential, a hydrating serum can be a game-changer for dry, sensitive skin. Serums are lightweight, fast-absorbing liquids packed with concentrated doses of active ingredients. Look for a serum formulated with hyaluronic acid or glycerin. These humectants are like magnets for moisture, drawing water from the air to your skin and locking it in for long-lasting hydration. Apply a few drops of serum to your fingertips and gently press it into your skin after toning. Allow it to absorb fully before moving on to the next step. Section 5. Moisturize, 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 your skin's best friend. This is the most important step for dry, sensitive skin. A good moisturizer seals in moisture and shields your skin. Choose one with ceramides, shea butter, or hyaluronic acid. These ingredients repair and strengthen your skin's barrier. Apply generously to your face and neck with gentle strokes. Don't forget your décolletage. It's prone to dryness too. Section 6. Sunscreen, your shield against the elements. Even on cloudy days, harmful UV rays can penetrate your skin, causing damage and irritation. Protecting your sensitive skin from the sun is essential. Opt for a mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide or titanium dioxide as the active ingredients. These physical blockers create a protective barrier on your skin, reflecting UV rays away. They are also less likely to irritate sensitive skin compared to chemical sunscreens. Apply sunscreen liberally to your face, neck, and any other exposed skin at least 15 minutes before heading outside. Reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Section 7. Weekly treats, pampering your sensitive skin. While a consistent daily routine is key, incorporating a weekly treatment or two can take your sensitive skincare game to the next level. A gentle exfoliating mask can help to remove dead skin cells and impurities, revealing brighter, smoother skin. Look for a mask with gentle, natural exfoliants like fruit enzymes or lactic acid. Alternatively, a calming face mask infused with soothing ingredients like chamomile, aloe vera, or oatmeal can help to reduce redness, inflammation, and irritation. Apply your chosen mask to clean, dry skin once or twice a week, following the instructions on the product packaging. Section 8. Beyond the routine. Extra tips for a happy complexion. Achieving a radiant complexion goes beyond just products. Here are a few extra tips. Hydrate from within. Drink plenty of water. Avoid hot showers. They strip natural oils. Opt for lukewarm water. Choose fragrance-free products. Look for fragrance-free labels. Patch test new products. Listen to your skin and adjust. Stop if irritated and consult a dermatologist. Section 9. Your 5-minute roadmap to calm and hydrated skin. Congratulations! Here's a simple skincare routine for sensitive, dry skin. 1. Cleanse gently with a mild, fragrance-free cleanser. 2. Tone with an alcohol-free toner. 3. Hydrate with a serum. 4. Moisturize generously. 5. Protect with sunscreen. Consistency is key. Follow this routine for a calmer, hydrated complexion.